Perfect.
Procreate is an iPad app that lets you draw anytime, anywhere, with the world of art media literally at your fingertips. Procreate is a powerful and super easy painting and drawing app for the iPad and can be used to create extremely detailed and advanced artwork. But it is also perfect for beginners because it's so easy to use. Procreate enables you to have every type of drawing and painting medium and limitless colors anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for helping you to establish a daily art making practice. I'm Mohit Naik, an illustrator, artist, as well as stop motion animator, maker, and all around creative person. Let's get started. The gallery view is the first thing you will see when you open Procreate. Here you can browse and open all of your artworks as well as start a new pieces. Tap on select, then select your works. You can bring them into one stack or preview, share. You can share work in multiple formats. Then duplicate, you can make a copy of your work, then delete. Tap the plus sign to start a new canvas. You will see a variety of canvas size templates and you can easily create your own. I like to use high-res canvas when I work in Procreate. I only use low-res canvas when I am practicing. High-res gives me the option to print my work later on with lots of details. Now tap on smaller plus button inside the template size tab. Here you can create your custom canvas. The maximum size you can create on this iPad is 6000 pixels by 5500 pixels with 300 dpi and 2 layers. You can get much more bigger canvas sizes on iPad Pro and other versions of iPad. And these are the color profiles here, RGB and CMYK, and you don't have to do anything here. Then here we have time-lapse video settings. You can set your resolutions and quality of your video. I suggest you to pick 2K, then studio quality or good quality from the lower section. And then we have canvas properties. Leave it. Let's open an artwork, and first we'll start with tap the paintbrush in the upper right to access the paintbrush panel. You will see all the brushes according to category. You can create your own brush folder by tapping on plus button and add your favorite brushes there. And these are some of my favorite brushes. I put them in one folder. It's very easy to create a folder. Just create one folder with any name, then drop your favorite brushes into that folder. After the brush tool, there is a smudge tool. You can use this tool to blend colors and many more with this. After that we have eraser tool. You get all the brushes as eraser, so you can use any brush as eraser. By holding on eraser tool, we'll select the same brush as eraser. Then we have layers. Tap on plus button to add layers. Swipe left to lock, duplicate or delete, and tapping on N will pop up opacity and some more layer options, and just tap on free space on layer. You will see this panel of options. We'll show you how you can use alpha lock. First draw anything, then select alpha lock or swipe right with 2 fingers to enable, then color on it with any color. It won't get out of that area. Then squeeze all the layers like this to merge all in one. Then we have color palette. Tap the circle in the upper right and you will see the color picker. Use the outer ring to select your hue or main color, and use the inner disk to fine tune the lightness, darkness or saturation of the color. Double tapping on inner circle will select the exact true value of any color. Then we have classic view, harmony, value. I really don't use these. I only use disk and palette view. Here in the palette section you will get ready-made colors, and you can select any palette as default, and that stays here with color wheel. You can place color picker anywhere on the screen. You can create your color palette by tapping on plus button, then tap on new. From camera you can create from gallery, file, photos. Just aim your camera to grab colors from your things, as you can see. Now tap capture to save it. Now come this left side and tap on action button. Here you will see add button. From here you can insert a file, photos, take photos, add text, etc. And one amazing thing that from here you can insert a private photo as reference, and that will not be seen or visible in your time-lapse video. So it's like invisible layer to this Procreate. Tapping on text will pop up this layer of text. Type anything you want, move anywhere. Double tap to select full text area. You will see some options. If you want to see all text editing option, then tap on the right corner of keyboard with A symbol. See here you can edit your text by changing size, kerning, tracking, all the typography options. Then choose font and their style. And there we have attributes, how you want to set your text. And some more options. See how this copy function works. If you tap on copy, this will only copy the recent layer, not the all layers. And if you choose copy canvas, then it will copy all layers. Here we have crop and resize. This way you can crop or extend your canvas. Then we have animation assist. After you tap on animation assist, you will see a bar in the bottom with slides. Here layer behaves like slides for animation. Tap on add frame to create animation. And you can set your first layer as background for your animation. Settings like loop, ping pong or one shot. And you can set frames per second values. The more the frames, the smoother the animation. Then we have drawing guide, almost no use of this. Then reference tab, one of the useful feature. You can import your reference from gallery. And it is movable, so you can place it anywhere on the screen. Tap and hold to pick colors from reference. Then we have flip options. Then we have canvas info, dimensions, layer, color profile, video settings and statistics. Then we have share options. Share Procreate file, PSD, JPG, PNG, TIFF. And you can share layers also in different formats, as you can see. Then we have video panel. Here you can play time-lapse video. One of my favorite thing about Procreate is the ability to play back everything you have done in a time-lapse replay. You can make this setting on or off and export your time-lapse video. When we tap on export, we got two options. One is 30 seconds, another is full length. I prefer 30 seconds most of the time, because it matches the Instagram Reels duration, so makes it easy to post directly. If you're going for YouTube, then export with full length. Then we have preferences, light interface. One thing regarding light and dark interface, when recording a video just like me, or we can say overhead camera, always record with light interface. It removes all other unwanted reflections and makes it easy and comfortable to record. Right hand interface, brush cursor on or off, and keep brush cursor on. It helps to identify the area of brush tip. Project canvas. After that we have third party stylus. If you have an Apple Pencil, then leave it. Edit pressure curve. If you want to change pressure sensitivity of your pencil, then head to the setting and some more options. Then we have adjustments. You can edit your colors, bring motion blur, liquify. Gradient map is very useful. Then we have selection tool, just like Photoshop. Select an area with free hand selected. Then tap on arrow icon at the top to move your selected area. This tool can be used to color any specific area. And at the end we have transform or move tool. You will get many transform tools like freeform, uniform, distort, and warp.